To start with problem set 2, question number 7. Solve the following question. First question is 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon x square. You have to solve it by any one of the method, by factorization, otherwise completing square method, otherwise you have to solve by the formula method. Then here this equation you have to convert it into the quadratic form. So here this x plus 5 is in the denominator, x square is in the denominator. You have to shift the denominator. You have to do the product. Divided by x square becomes multiplied by x square. This becomes 1 multiplied by x square. 1 multiplied by x plus 5, this bracket you have to shift that side. Divided by x plus 5 becomes multiplied by x plus 5. After that you have to do the product. You have to use the distributive law. 1 multiplied by x and 1 multiplied by 5. 1 multiplied by x is equal to x. 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. Then you have to transpose this x plus 5 that side. This x square multiplied by 1 is equal to 1x square. This 1x square as it is. This plus 1x becomes minus 1x, plus 5 becomes minus 5 is equal to 0. Then you have to, if you will try to find out the factors of 1x square multiplied by minus 5 is equal to minus 5x square. At that time it is very difficult to find out the factors, because this minus 5 is the prime number and the only one factor will come minus 5 multiplied by 1, and the middle term has to come minus 1. Not such a factors will come, so you have to use the, at that time you have to use the formula method. So you have to compare with x square plus bx plus c, above equation with x square plus bx plus c. You have to find out a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 5. Then by formula method, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Then you have to put the values of a, b, c in the given equation. At that time this minus of minus 1 plus or minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 5. Then minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus or minus as it is. Minus square is always plus. This minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus. 4 1s are 4, 4 5 is 20. And this 1 as it is, plus or minus as it is. This 2 1s are 2 as it is. This 1 plus 20 is equal to 21. Then 1 plus or minus square root of 21 upon 2. This will not come outside because this is not the perfect. This is not the perfect square of any number. So this one. So I will say that x is equal to, one root will be plus and another root will be minus. So x is equal to 1 plus square root of 21 upon 2, and another root is x is equal to 1 minus square root of 21 upon 2. Everybody understand? By formula method you have to solve this example. It is not possible to find out by the factorization method. So you have to start with the next question. X square minus 3x upon 10 minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 0. So you have to convert it into the x square plus bx plus c. You have to remove the denominator. Both the cases, both the terms, the denominator is 10. If you want to remove the denominator at that time, multiply both sides by 10. So what you have to do? You have to multiply both sides by 10. 10 multiplied by x square, 10 multiplied by 3x upon 10, 10 multiplied by 1 upon 10, and 0 multiplied by 10. After multiplying by 10, this 10 will cancel with this 10 will cancel with this 10, and we will get the equation 10x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then you have to see that by which method you have to solve. For that you have to do the product of the first term and the last term. Is it this, do the product of the 10x square multiplied by 1 is equal to 10x square multiplied by minus 1 is equal to minus 10x square. You have to find out the factors of minus 10x square such that middle term has to come minus 3x. At that time 5 2s are 10. Then minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5x plus 2x is equal to minus 3x. So this middle term has to come minus 3x and product has to come minus 10x square. So minus 5x multiplied by 2x is equal to minus 10x square. Means the product has to come to equal to the product of the first term and the last term, and that one is coming. So you have to write 10x square as it is. You have to write this 3x as minus 5x plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 10x square. Then you have to make the group of the first two terms and the last two terms. You have to write first two terms in the product form and last two terms in the product form. Here you have to see that what will come common. Here 5x is present, here 5x is present here, so you have to write in the product form 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x minus here you have to take out 5x common, so 1 multiplied by 5x you have to write. Then 2x you have to write as 1 multiplied by 2x, because 1 will come common, so 1 multiplied by 2x minus this 1 you have to write 1 into 1. Here you have to take out 5x common, at that time 2x minus 1 will remain in the bracket, plus 1 you will take out common, at that time 2x minus 1 will remain in the bracket is equal to 0. Then at this stage both the bracket has to come same, and that becomes same. So underlying terms you have to take out common, 2x minus 1 you have to take out common, at that time 5x plus 1 you have to write in another bracket is equal to 0. So you have to compare these two terms with 0. 5x minus 1 is equal to 0, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you have to transpose this minus 1 that side, that become plus 1. Then 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 upon 2. 5x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 upon 5. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. In this way you have to solve this example. You have to write this example in the notebook properly. Thank you.